And the last optimization technique I'm going to talk about in the application tier is disabling the session. I've not covered the session in the course because it's something you should really avoid. If you don't know what session is, it's basically a piece of memory in the web server allocated to each user. So we can use that to store temporary data during the user session. Now, what's wrong with using session? Because the more users you have, the more memory of the web server your application is going to use. This kills the scalability of your application. The days we use session in web development are gone. These days, we are working on more cloud-based solutions, and it's more likely that the traffic to a web application increase exponentially. So, to make your web application scalable, you should make them stateless, which means a request comes in, gets processed, and we're done. We don't maintain state. We don't use session. Now, to disable session, in Solution Explorer, open up web.config, and in system.web, add session state and set the mode to off. Note that this value is case sensitive, so O should be capital. So this is how we disable session state, which improves the scalability and the performance of our applications. So here are the 4 strategies I've covered in this section that we can apply in the application tier to optimize performance. Output caching, data caching, using release builds, and disabling session. Out of this list, it's safe to implement the last 2 without performance profiling, because they're simple and don't add any additional complexity to your application. Next, we're going to look at optimizations in the client tier.